How to earn and use PC Optimum points with the PC Financial Card. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. So earning and using PC Optimum points with your PC Financial Card is simple as well as rewarding, and especially if you regularly shop at the global owned stores. So you can start by using your PC Money account or PC Financial MasterCard when shopping at stores like Real Canadian Superstore or Shoppers Drug Mart, No Frills, and Locals. You can earn at least 10 PC Optimum points per dollar on eligible purchases when you use the PC MasterCard. So if I just go ahead and swipe down here, go to their official website, and then here I can just tap on the credit card info. As you can see, there are certain product perks, so you can get up to 3% back in points at Lobel, banners, grocery stores, and at least 3 cents per liter in points at Essos and mobile stations in Canada. Also, you can get up to 4.5% back in points at Shoppers Drug Mart and up to 3% back in points at Joe Fresh stores. And you can get 1% back on everywhere else. So points can add up quickly, and 10,000 points equals $10 in rewards. So you can redeem your points in store or online at checkout starting at 10,000 points. Just tell the cashier or select the option in the app or website, and the discount is applied instantly. And that's how you earn and use the PC Optimum points with your PC Financial Card. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.